Hello everyone. I am Harnish. I am a charter accountant from India. We are a firm of highly dedicated and experienced chartered accountants delivering bookkeeping and tax return services to various CPA firms like yours in United States remotely. We have expertise working on any of the tax return software of your choice. We have years of experience working with CCH Pro System, Drake, Go System Tax Solution, Intuit La Charity, Intuit Pro Series, Thomson Reuters Tax Solution, Intuit TurboTax, Ultra Tax Solution, ATX Tax Slayer, Tax Act and many more. Software is not a barrier for us. We can work on any software of your choice. Our pricing starts from just US $15 per hour. No minimum weekly hours required. You just need to pay for the work we do. We are seeking to have a long-term relationship with your firm as our skill set completely suits your requirement for tax return preparers. Our tax team is having years of experience working with all types of entities such as Form 1040. For individual tax returns, Form 1040-NR. For non-residents, Form 1120. For C corporations income taxes, Form 1065. Partnerships, Form 1120-S. For S corporations income taxes, Form 990. For nonprofit corporations, assist you in identifying all your incomes and preparing and filing Form 1099. Preparations and filing of Form W-2 for payroll returns. Our onboarding process is very simple. This is our roadmap. One dedicated tax return preparer will be your point of contact who will be available from Monday to Friday till 12 p.m. EST. Through our project management system, you would have single dashboard to track the progress of each project's job, single list of tasks for missing information, assigning due dates, time estimates and priorities, held discussion on each task by tagging each other. We can log into your cloud software or can access your PC through remote desktop protocol, keeping all your data under your servers. 6 areas Meru Accounting considers as important to provide best-in-class services to you. Separate email ID under your domain for all communications like support@yourcpa.com. 24-hour general turnaround time. Additional work on weekends and season time. Tax Manager will be available for chat or calls via WhatsApp, Skype or phone call till 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time overlapping your morning time. Daily work updates will be sent summarizing the work done during the day. We can increase or decrease the resources very fast based upon your requirement. We can work by using cloud-based softwares or using remote desktop protocol, keeping all your data on your computers. We have robust infrastructure which helps to deliver the services in seamless and secure manner. Number 1. High-speed internet 100 Mbps with 1 backup connection. Number 2. Security of data, internal firewall security system. Biometric system. Restricted data access to employees. Blocked USB drives. Our servers are on cloud. NDA with employees and clients. Dual-step authentications where necessary. You can view our US portfolio on our website here. You can check what our clients say about us. To view Trustpilot reviews, click here. To view Google reviews, please click here. If you are looking to hire a remote tax accountant with us, please contact us. Email, hello@meruaccounting.com. Skype, Harnish_2006. Or call to my number mentioned. Do you still want someone to refer us? We shall send you the references of some of the CPA firms who are already working with us. You can talk to them to discuss the quality of our work and then start with a trial assignment. Thanks for watching the video.